This rather alien looking thing arrived yesterday. We had a Nescafe Dolce Gusto coffee machine, the Oblo, which is sort of a circular looking thing that you put the coffee cup in the middle of, and that broke at the weekend, in less than a year actually, but we can't find the receipt for it. So we decided to buy another one, looked at all different options, lots of different designs. We came across this one. This sort of combined the best functions. Rather unusual look. I'm not too sure whether we like the look or not. It's cleverly designed there. I'll show you how it works. First of all, at the back of it is where the water's kept. So you pull this out like that. Just use your some pressure from the fingers to pull it out, and that is where the water area is. I'm not sure the actual total amount of water, but you get about 4 cups out of that, roughly. So put it back in place, slide it there. To get it to work, you press the start button, and up it pops. Up it pops even, not up it pops. So this one is actually totally automatic in the way it makes your coffee. Going to make a cafe latte. Show you how to do it. So the little coffee area there is empty. Put in the sachet. Slide it in. Now on each sachet, let me show you a moment. There's an indication of how much water goes in. Normally you have to guess that when you make it with the cheaper models, and you get used to the amount, but it is kind of guesswork. On this, there's a sliding, it's sort of finger pressure. There's no buttons per se. You just touch the surface of it, and there's a sliding scale. You just slide it up and down according to what's written on the sachet there. So this is the Movenza. This is the Dolce Gusto Movenza, it's called. There was another fancy one, but we didn't want to pay that kind of money, so we decided on this one. There's another one that looks like coffee dropping into water and the droplet coming back out. So certainly Nescafe, or whoever makes these, are really going for the design side of things. Right, let's get a cup. So there's a little tray in the bottom here, and you can take that out and put it to different heights, as you can see there, depending on the coffee cup you're using. So you go to the slider, so we take the bar up to there for this one. Okay, and then cold water, you press that one, hot water that one. So let me check I've got that in the right bar. Nope, glad I checked that, it would be too strong. So it goes up one more bar to there. Okay, just press that. And here we go. Now the Gusto Oblo we had, I must admit, wasn't the hottest coffee you'd ever had. Certainly you could drink it straight away without it being too hot. This one is hotter. It says it's 15 bars. I don't know what that means in the real reality of coffee making. Obviously bars are units of pressure, but I don't know actually what that translates to. And as I say, the beauty of this one is that it's fully automatic. So there we are, so that's all done. The machine will switch it off if it's left unattended after a few minutes. Running through some sort of strange process. I have noticed this one does drip more than our last one after it's made the coffee, so it's not necessarily a bad idea to leave the mug under there for a little while. So that's what it looks like. So normally I would use 2 sachets, but I don't want to bore you all watching that. So one lovely coffee made, still dripping away there. For some reason, and yeah, very pleased with it. Check it out.